once again, YouTubers. Good day. This is Sean, and welcome again to Nigo's Toy Channel. And today, we're going to unbox and review the Tomica Premium Series Mitsubishi Lancer GSR Evolution 3. So this model has two variants, I think. The yellow one and this black one. So today we're going to unbox the black version of the Lancer Evolution 3 by Tomica. So here's the car in its plastic wrapping. Here's the Evolution 3. So as with all premium series Tomicas, this one has fantastic details. It also has suspension. So here's the car, a closer look of the car. The headlights are made of transparent plastic. It has I think a dark orange or reddish corner lights. The signal lights also have the same color with a corner signal lights. The corner lights, I mean. So here's the back of the car. You can see the plate number says Evolution 3, and on top it says Lancer. So and here it says Mitsubishi, also here it says Lancer. The exhaust is painted silver. The rims also has some tampos on it. It says OZ, so Oz Racing. It says Evolution 3 right here. Again, front. So you can find the Mitsubishi logo here. Now what I like about Tomica premium cars is that they put a lot of effort in the interior details of their cars. You can see right there, even the rear seats has fantastic outlines. So it's a right-hand drive. It's made in for Japan mark. The spoilers on this one is diecast metal, unlike other premium series cars which are made of rubber, and the Honda Civic also is made of rubber. So again, fantastic outlines on the car. You can see the outline, the doors, the handle, the gas tank also has a outline. The hood also has fantastic outlines. So you can see that the car is beautifully made. So it also rolls well. great car overall. So soon I may be able to get the yellow one. I don't know when, but hopefully I will be able to get my hands on that one. So what do you think about the car? Please comment and like my video. So please also subscribe on my channel. That's it. Thank you and enjoy. Goodbye.